Hello. Hi, do you sell coffee?
Yes.
How much is, what's the price for cappuccino?
Cappuccino,
10,000. All right. Till what time are you open? Just the whole day?
this is tea all day.
Okay, maybe I'm going to record downstairs, walk there and walk back.
Okay, no problem. Half time we'll be back.
All right, yes. Is there an exit here to the beach or is it here?
Okay, no problem. This way.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Right, right. Yeah.
This way.
Asante sana.
Karibu sana.
All right.
Yes, good.
That's the Blue Lagoon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. All right, Asante.
Okay, sure.
Jambo. Jambo poa. Yeah. Vipi? Nambi. Yeah, just chilling.
Yes.
Just recording on the beach.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Your camera?
Yeah.
Oh.
We are live.
Okay.
Hey.
How
Goody.
long?
How long what?
Stay here. Zanzibar.
Maybe 10 days.
10 days.
Yeah.
Which hotel?
Hmm.
Which hotel?
Hyatt Park.
Yeah.
Hyatt Park.
I am back.
No, man. I was in Stone Town.
Oh, Stone Town.
Hey.
Okay. From where?
No, yeah, this for Dar es Salaam. Dar es Salaam.
From where home?
Yeah.